What's up, guys? Another burping video. It might be disgusting. I don't know why, but I just think it's disgusting now. 3, 2, 1, go. It's not coming out. Hold on, try. Okay. There it goes. No, stop budging. Dang! Did that come out of my body? Peace. See you in the next video.